Welcome to all. See, last time question number 17, lecture 70, I told this case and I told for those who are interested. Now, this is 70. Today's class is 71. Question 17, I will go to section 18. 6 questions are there. Next class, question 19. Once again, 6 questions. So, question 17, question 18 and question 19, all 3 are for those who are very serious about concept, or question 17 is for those who are very serious. Those who are little less serious, today's class and next class important. Because last time, see, span is L, overhang S1, S2. There is no link between. We do not know what is S1 or how much is S1 or S2 with respect to L, but some conditions. These all I already explained. Your VA will be positive, VA will be 0 if what? See, this term is 0, or that is sum of these two is not sum of these two, both are is less, or VA is 0 if that overhang is equal to sum of these two, and VA will be negative if that overhang is more than sum of these two. Same argument for VB. VB will be 0 if this overhang, see where you hold, this is afterwards, other side overhang is equal to sum of these two, and VB will be negative if that other side overhang is more than sum of these two. I told the logic also, why lifting takes place, everything explained. So remember, this is last time class. Okay, don't see this one. This is for today's class, for some explanation. Okay, now, last time class we took LS2, LS1, S2. Now what you are doing is, we will take different cases. Remember, all this discussion is only for UDL. If you apply other loading, principle is same. Lifting, etc. When overhang is more, if that overhang is more, this side will try to get lifted. That is same, but this is not valid. Practically, standard case is only for ODL. So remember, class 17, class 18 today, and next class 19, all these 3 are beam with the double side overhang and subjected to full length UDL, not full span, subjected to full length UDL. Go through last time. Okay, start. Now, question 18, A I will dictate, B also I will dictate, C onwards I will tell to save the time, same dictation. See, distances will change. What I will do is, all the question 18, I will take L. These overhangs, I will take part of L, or maybe more than L, requiring based upon my requirement. So that is 6 questions. One question, see, first question A is for perfect symmetry. Second question B is when this reaction, both are positive, means both overhangs are quite small. Then see, when both overhangs are quite small, no lifting will come. Lifting will come when heavy overhang is there. Question number 3 or C is for VA to be 0. Question number D will be for VA to be negative. Question number E or 5th one is for VB equal to 0. I will arrange the question. Question number last 6th one is for VB equal to negative. All these you understand, everything will be clear. So A I will dictate because symmetrical. B also I will dictate. C onwards I will tell for the beam shown in figure. Okay. Question. A simply supported beam has a span of L between the supports. It has either side overhangs of L by 3. That is, now see, now overhangs are connected with L. Next time, question 19 is full numerical. Okay. It has overhangs, see, plural, overhangs of L by 3 on either side, and entire beam is loaded by UDL of W per unit length. Find support reaction. Usual statement that VA up, see, I told you, sometime negative can come, that all we will be knowing later. So in the beginning what you will take? We will take VA upward, VB upward. This I told so many times. If you assume both reactions upward, later if you get, I will tell last time now, some will tell you this you told 100 times. If you get positive, means your assumption of upward is correct, enter in the upward direction. But if you get negative, the assumption of upward reaction is wrong, it is actually downwards. So enter the value in opposite direction but without sign. Somebody will ask me long back, sir, is 0 what to do? 0 means keep quiet, no reaction, why you bother? That is, it is on the verge of lifting. Okay, start. Vertical reaction over. So see, first make a note, this is perfect symmetrical case. Therefore, you need not waste time by taking moment. But still, I will, to understand purpose, I will apply sigma m about A0. See now, minus VB into L. Every question same thing, anti-clockwise. Plus, see, I told you UDL from A to D. See here, you make a note here. For these two, see, for these two, you see this note. For these two, that term and, see, that term and this term, see this note, see here. From A up to D, don't worry about B. Length L plus L by 3. Total L plus L by 3. UDL, it has got a total load acting down through center. This total load will create clockwise moment. So, plus, this all I explained last time. At that time it was L plus S2. W into L plus L by 3 total load, see arrow mark, into moment about this point, into half of that distance, clockwise. Whereas this UDL, see here, this UDL will create anti-clockwise moment, that is W into L by 3 is the total load, into L by 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now, actually next time I won't write. So therefore, see here, minus VB into L plus WL, only once I will tell. See, W into L, okay, L and L square, WL square, here also, WL square. Only number will come. What is number? 1 plus 1 by 3 into bracket 1 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 divided by 2 will come plus 5 by 6 WL square. High school mathematics. See, minus plus is there. So VB equal to 5 by 6 WL square divided by L. 5 by 6 WL is VB. Sigma V0 upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus. Now remember, separately not required because only load you want. This also I told many times. Minus W into this total loaded length. How much it is? L plus L by 3 plus L by 3 or L plus 2 times of L by 3 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to plus 5 by 6 WL. See, plus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 3. Plus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 3 is minus 5 by 6. Plus VA minus 5 by 6 equal to 0. VA will come plus 5 by 6. Remember, suppose you get, see when you simplify here, if these two gives you positive value, suppose you get VA plus something 0, then VA will be negative. Again, primary school, high school mathematics. See, in this class, I will not waste my time explaining. Sometimes I have seen this step people take another 7-8 steps more. They will unnecessarily drag it. But what important concept is not told. You came for learning concept. These are all mathematical. Those who are engineers, this much concept, when you follow equation, see how we sign here. When it goes that side, what will happen? See here, minus VB is there. Here, plus is there. This plus will become minus there. Minus cancel. Or this minus VB will become plus there. That all, if I explain, someone will tell, you are teaching for a high school student. Okay, over. This over. Okay, now, this much answer over. Make a note now. See, immediately. I told every time, I won't tell. Once you get the answer, you have to write a neat presentation. What I will do is, why should I waste time? I will use the same beam, but you should not write anything in this beam. This is the given beam. You enter the answer here. When you study later, confusion. In my entire course, if a question is given, do not write anything in the question. If you want to show a result for that question, draw one more sketch. Don't be so lazy. So write here. Therefore, right, vertical reactions at supports are, show here. VA equal to, what is that one? 5 by 6 WL. Your VB also equal to 5 by 6 WL is the answer. Over. Question over. Now, make a note. Somewhere, make a note. Where is it? Here. Okay. Just make a note here. Next time I won't tell this one. See. I will do only once. Next time I won't tell. Make a note. Somewhere outside. Here. Not sigma m0. Don't write this also. Not required. See. Make a note. Actually, this beam, we took moment about A, sigma m0 you applied, then sigma v0, answer we got. But actually, in future, when you want reaction for such beam, observe here, L by 3, L by 3. So, it is a, right here, it is a perfect symmetrical case. Perfect, you write symmetrical case. Therefore, do not waste time. Directly you can go for, directly, right here. Due to symmetry, but remember, if it is L by 3 and L by 4, you can't do it. Or if it is a UDL and point load, you can't do it. Due to symmetry, you can write vertical reaction at A in the upward direction equal to vertical reaction B in the upward direction. That is a reaction equal to action. Total load on beam, see, action is down. Whatever is the downward action divided by 2 equal to W into total loaded length. L plus L by 3 plus L by 3. L plus 2 times of L by 3. Answer divided by 2. Calculate 1 plus 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 divided by 2 is 4 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3 is 5 by 1. 5 by 1 plus 2 by 3 is, it is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 5 by 3 by 2 is 5 by 6. Correct. 5 by 6. Correct. Our answer equal to plus. No plus also. See, there is no plus also here. 5 by 6 W into L. Then, once again, enter the answer here and close. One line you can get the answer. This is question 18A. Now I am changing A over, I will make a note here. Now I am going to question 18B. Now I am going for unsymmetrical. What I will do is, same question, I will change these two values. See, this is L, I will reduce it here slightly. Okay, sufficient. This I will take L by 5. This I will take little lesser, L by 4. So, right side I will take L by 4, left L by 5. In terms of L, I will dictate the question. This time I will dictate the question because first time unsymmetrical. Next time onwards, I will put the sketch. A beam has a span of L between the two, simply support span of L between support. It has a left overhang of L by 5 and right overhang of L by 4. It is loaded by UDL of intensity W per unit length over entire length. Unit length over entire length. Find the reaction. Okay, start. Solution. Let VA and V. I should actually remember what you have to do. Once again, fresh diagram you have to write here. Okay. Show a support here. This is a given beam. Don't disturb the given beam. That's all here. This is the given beam. Do not write anything. L by 4. Okay. Let VA and VB be the reactions as usual. Okay. Now, put a sketch. L by 3. This is L by 5. It lesser. Okay. No problem. Scale is not required. L by 5. This is L by 4. Okay. Scale don't bother. L by 4. This is L. Now remember, there is no symmetry. This time you have to solve systematically. And this I will explain once. Next time onwards, I will not explain anything. I will give only answer. What I am doing now, same will repeat for all the remaining questions. See now. So, if you are serious in learning, there is some contribution required from you also. Okay, start. Sigma m about A equal to 0. Clockwise positive. See correctly now. Start. First, as usual, minus VB into L. This is permanent. Anti-clockwise plus clockwise. See once again here. This I will explain last time now. This is A. This is D. This UDL is for length of L plus L by 4. Right here once again. Make a note here. See, you can make a note. C note. C note. Here note. Note. This is from here right side. This is next time the number will change. That's all. I will not give that note. L plus L by 4. So a total load of, you can write here, W into L plus L by 4 is the total load which will act at center half of L plus L by 4. And this side length is L by 5. So there is a total load of W into L by 5 is the total load into distance is half of L by 5. Next time onwards, this I am not giving. If anybody tells, give that also, then I will tell, don't study from me. You are learning, I am teaching. You better put some effort for it. Okay, start. Plus W into this, already I explained in the earlier question 5-6 times. W into bracket L plus L by 4. This is the total load. Next time I won't write. See, the total load moment multiplied by this loaded length divided by 2 is L plus L by 4. Whatever is there, divided by 2 clockwise minus W into L by 5 is the total load multiplied by, see here, this total load into this total load, next time I won't write, into L by half of L by 5 or L by 5 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of VB. See, or okay, you get the value of VB. Only this time I write a step here. So, next time I won't write. Therefore, you get minus VB into L plus, see here, W into L, WL into L, WL square outside, W into L, WL square outside. So, plus WL square times a number will come. That number will be, how to calculate the number? Sign important. See, plus here, 1 plus 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4, calculate is not on, 1 plus 1 by 4, whatever you got, into 1 plus 1 by 4 by 2. Then, minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 4, something happened, the square by 2, minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 divided by 2 equal to 609 by 800 plus, next time I won't explain, 609 by 800 of number. Therefore, you can tell your VB, okay, I put below I will write here. Therefore, you will get VB, once again I told you, high school mathematics. Therefore, your VB equal to, plus becomes that side minus. This minus, that minus will cancel. Okay, one option. Or this minus, take that side, plus. Here also plus, there also plus, then interchange. Someone told me, sir, then again both will become minus. Okay, to keep on doing it. Interchange. Oh, sorry sir, got it. Okay. See, there is a limit. Engineering students, it is plus 609 by 800 times what? WL square by L is WL is the answer. See, reaction came positive. Okay, then sigma V equal to 0, upward positive. You get plus VA plus VB minus the total load. This time separately not required, only single step. W is the intensity into L, central length L plus left side length of L by 5 plus right side length of L by 4, total load. This is a total load here. Next time I won't write all these things, equal to 0. Therefore, now substitute VB equal to whatever you got. What you got there? Plus you got 609 by 800 WL. You will get plus VA. Then see, plus the same thing you have to do. Plus VA, this plus bracket. VB you got plus 609 by 800 of WL close, then minus this number 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is 29 by 20 minus 29 by 20 WL equal to 0. Again remember, I kept on telling each class not possible. Therefore, your VA equal to, see here, what I am doing. This also I will explain only once. 609 by 800. 609 by 800. This number minus 29 by 20. It comes to minus 551 by 800. So VA minus, I should not write that much. 551, see, this is VA minus 551 by 800 WL equal to 0. So VA will be once again, that is very important, it will come plus 551 by 800 WL is the answer. Okay. Then lastly, presentation, right? Therefore, right here, for the given beam, support reaction, both you got positive, correct. Upward reaction VB of, how much VB got? 609 by 800 WL. Here, upward reaction VA of 551 by 800 WL over. Two questions I explained each everything. Now onwards, I will write on the board. I will not explain. If you are not serious, cannot study this much, this question, everything explained. Next time numerical, there also I will explain it more because numerical is more important. Okay, now work out the question. Okay, now 1 minute. Those who want to can do one thing. Next time I won't tell. See, in terms of L, S1 and S2, we got general equation still there. What you do is, in these expressions, put L equal to L. S1 equal to L by 5. S2 equal to L by 4. Substitute here. 100% your VA will come plus 551 by 800 WL. VB will come 60, substitute here, where S1 has to substitute. VB will come 609 by 800. I will check fast. Yes, correctly coming. Over. Now, question number 18C. I will prepare this one because why? A over, B over, now C you are doing. Okay, I will prepare because now time counts. I do not want rub and waste time. I write everything and explain. Now, question 80C. I will minimize the explanation because now you can do it. Question. Okay, last time dictation. A beam has simply support span of L. See, this is L. It has left overhang of L by 3 and right overhang of 4L by 3. And is loaded by UDL of intensity W per unit length over the entire length. Find reactions. Over. Now, see, write the question. Do not write anything here. But I will write now. Not now. See, when everything is over, the last step will be, I will write now. You should not write it. What I am writing here now, you should write here. Last step will be, therefore, support reactions will be 1 minute. I have set the question so that, see here, this overhang, right side overhang is equal to this span and what? This length. Or when I want to VA, the troublemaker is right overhang. The lifting effect is for right overhang. So that right overhang is exactly equal to sum of these two. So your answer VA will come 0. In that case, entire load will come to support B. That will be 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 4L by 3 is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 WL. I am writing answer now only. Why? W into L by 3 plus L plus 4L by 3 is 8 by 3. Correct? 8 by 3 correct? 1 by 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 8 by 3 correct. Okay. So therefore I said the question. But you should not write now. Write last step. Because I set the question so that, see, L plus S1 and S2, if I compare, that overhang is equal to these two. Next time onwards, you check it. Okay, start. Take moment about A. Minus VB into L plus, see, I already explained, W into this total length, L plus 4 by 3L into its center, L plus 4 by 3L by 2. That center is the load acting, half of that one, minus W into L by 3 is the total load, into L by 3 by 2 equal to 0. You will get minus VB into L plus WL square into plus 8 by 3 0. So minus becomes plus that side, 8 by 3 WL. Sigma V0, VA plus VB minus W into L by 3 plus L plus 4 by 3L is 8 by 3 WL. So VA plus VB is plus 8 by 3 WL. This is also 8 by 3 WL. When you calculate, it becomes 0 over. Final answer. I explained. Now write this sketch here. Okay, now to save the time, question number 18D. I will tell you what I will do now. See, what I will do is, I will put the support here, same support here, but instead of 4L by 3, I will make little more. I will make it 5L by 3 now. Little more I will make. So that now when you consider VA, the right overhang is more than sum of these two. Means which is responsible to press the support A down, that effect is less than that effect which will try to lift the support A. Now 100% your VA has to come negative, VB will come positive, my guarantee. Okay, start. Solve it. One more question. It's a 4 by 3, it is what? 5L by 3. This is to save the time. Okay. Everything is over? Okay. Minus VB into L plus W into L plus, see, you should not do this way. Those who are learning should never do this way. I can do whatever I want into 5 by 3L. This will remain same, minus W into L by 3 into L by 3 by 2. This number will come now. See, that number will now come 1 plus 5 by 3, 1 plus 5 by 3, okay, square divided by 2, minus bracket 1 by 3 close, square divided by 2. 7 by 2 WL. Your VB will come plus 7, red color, answer. This is number is plus 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So, WL square and L, this all I told, answer is plus 7 by 2 WL. Okay, now over. Sigma V0 plus V here, plus VA plus VB minus W into L by 3 plus L plus how much? 5 by 3L equal to 0. Substitute VA equal to 7 by 2 WL. You get VA plus 7 by 2 WL minus that number is 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 5 by 3 is 3 minus 3 WL equal to 0. See correctly now what happens now? You will get, I should not write plus VA, then 7 by 2 minus 3. 7 by 2 minus 3 is plus what? WL by 2 plus WL by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, your VA will come, see, plus and plus that side minus WL by 2. Okay. Therefore, go back here, enter the answer once again. See, VB you got positive. This reaction is correct. VB equal to, what is the answer? 7 by 2 WL. Whereas VA, we got negative, so it is downward reaction. VA equal to, where is it? WL by 2. Okay, now 1 minute. Do one thing. In this equation for VA, put S1 equal to L by 3 and S2 equal to 5L by 3. See, I'll calculate here. S1 is L by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 square minus 5 by 3 square equal to divide by 2. Minus half means minus WL by 2. Correct. And that reaction, next time onwards, you check it. L is 1. Because L goes outside. L plus S2. S2 is how much? Plus 5 by 3. Okay. That square, no, 1 plus 5 by 3. That square minus S1 square, 1 by 3 square equal to divide by 2. It is plus 7 by 2. Yes. Plus 7 by 2 WL. So this is two questions are covered now, where question number A, what happened? Symmetry was there. Both are upward, total load by 2. Question number B is what? Some small overhangs given. So both again came upward, but not equal. You took moment. Question number 3, instead of A, B, C, they'll tell third question. Third and fourth are just earlier over it. C is when I set VA 0, VB total load. Now VA negative came, VB came positive. Now question number lastly, E and F. Now I will not explain much. Now my purpose is to see that your VB will come 0 once and then your VB will come negative. VB 0 means VA will become equal total load. VB negative means VA will come more. I will set the question and solve it to save the time. Now onwards, remember, this all I will not tell. Those who want, check it. Question number 18E. Now, I will tell for the beam shown in figure. See, span is L, this is L by 5, this is little more than L. You remember, make a note. Right now I will tell you something. My purpose of, see, this is ABCD. I forgot to write ABCD last time. Okay. See, if anything is forgotten, right, or if number is not changed, don't make an issue of that one. You are sticking to the same format. Okay. Now see, now my purpose is to play with the VB value. I want VB 0. I told VB will be 0 only for UDL. If other troublemaking overhang, see, if this overhang is equal to sum of these two, 1 by 5, 6 by 5 equal to 1 plus 1 by 5, oh, equal. Therefore, guaranteed now, your answer, see, I will tell, but this you are right, last you are right, not now. When everything is over, last step I am writing. I am writing advanced answer. Therefore, guaranteed, your VB equal to 0 and your VA will come full load now. VA will come W into 6 by 5 plus L plus 1 by 5 is 12 by 5. 12 by 5 WL will come. See, the purpose of this question is you should understand correctly to solve in terms of WL. Don't always think numerical required. WL and numerical both are same. I am more happy with the WL. Actually, you learn concept more and more when you start WL. See, simply support beam, UDL. If you find maximum bending moment, reaction into L by 2 minus UDL into L by 2 into L by 2, some number will come. But when you do bookwork, you will get WL square by 8. So, that formula you get when you do bookwork type. So, never hesitate. You concentrate. It is not difficult. I always enjoy WL or bookwork type questions. Bookwork type questions are more powerful than numerical. But what to do? Everybody wants numerical. Okay, start. VA, VB, same statement all. Take moment about A, I won't waste time. Minus VB into L plus W into L plus L by 5 to L plus L by 5 to minus W into 6L by 5 by 2 into 6L by 5 by 2 equal to 0. Why waste time? You will get to minus VB will, these two terms, when you simplify, it will come correctly 0. Oh, WL square into 0 means VB equal to 0. Substitute sigma V 0, VA plus VB minus total load equal to 0. Substitute VA equal to 0. VB will come. Substitute Substitute VB. Substitute VB equal to 0. Then VA will come plus 12 by 5 WL. Therefore, present the answer. Those who want substitute in the formula here, put S1 equal to 6L by 5, L equal to L, S2 equal to L by 5. These two answers, it will come guaranteed, these two answers. See, now last question, F. Okay, I will do it now only. F. What I will do is, this overhang, I will make double of that one, 2L. This I will make L by 2. Okay, some change. Out of scale, okay, I somehow maintain scale. Okay, L by 2. Okay, now, this is L. This is L by 2. This is a little bigger, little further bigger. Okay. Okay, 2L. 2L. Okay, now, solve the question. Now, what I made is, my worry is, this is VA, VB. My worry is VB now. VB. So, for VB, troublemaker is this overhang. See, this is 2L. Sum of these two is L by 3 by 2L, or very heavy overhang here, support B will get lifted. So guaranteed this time your VB will come negative and VA will come positive. My guarantee. Okay, now that you worry later when you get the answer. Okay, start. Moment about A. Minus VB into L plus W into L plus L by 2 into L plus L by 2 by 2 clockwise minus W into 2L into 2L by 2 equal to 0. You get minus VBL plus this number will come. See here. What number will come? That number will come 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, that square by 2 equal to, answer 1 plus 1 by 2, that square divided by 2 equal to minus 2 into 2 divided by 2. It will come minus 7 by 8. See, this total number will come minus 7 by 8 WL equal to 0. See, minus VB into L minus 7 by 8 VB, what? WL. So your VB will be not plus now. Both are minus there. This is mathematics. Minus 7 by 8 WL. Sigma V0 upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus W into, how much it is? 2L plus L plus L by 2 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to, see, minus, substitute whatever, when you substitute VB, see, minus 7 by 8 WL. You get VA plus is this plus. In VB, right, minus 7 by 8 WL, and this number is 2 plus 1 plus half is 2 plus 1 plus half is 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 WL equal to 0. So minus 7 by 8 minus 7 by 8 again minus 7 by 2 is minus 35 by 8. Take that side, it will become plus 35 by 8. I will check the answer now. WL. Now write the answer. So your VB is negative down. VB equal to, I don't know anything wrong, I will check it now. 7 by 8 WL and VA is positive equal to 35 by 8 WL. Okay, now I will do one thing. I will check the answer here. Actually not required. Still, suppose any calculation mistake means we can make out. See, VA, L plus, that is L equal to 1. L will come outside. 1 plus 2. 3 square minus 0.5 square divided by 2 in the number 35 by 8. Yes. And VB L1 plus S2 is 0.5. 1.5 square minus 2 square divided by 2 is minus 7 by 8. Perfectly correct. Over. Question number 18 over now. 6 bookwork type question is solved, but see, 17th class, S1, S2, no link. There it is for discussion. So remember, 17 important, 18 is little easier compared to you because there is no S and S1, S2 in terms of L. Next class will be class number 72, where I will go for numerical value. Once again 6 questions. First symmetrical, then when both will come upward, then 2 questions. When left will become 0 and negative, another 2 questions. Right will become 0 and negative. Once that is over, principles are over, then we will go for marathon calculation. Okay, go through everything, learn and attain maximum knowledge possible. Okay, thank you.